Hey, good morning. Today we're fooling around with our Seagull Merlin, putting it through a Sonus G2M Midi converter, which will let us get any sound that could be produced by a keyboard or electronic instrument from our Merlin. So here's a funny synth sound. You can make it sound like a piano. Tuning's a little weird, but you get it. You get it figured out. Oh, electric guitar. Here's the trumpet. It has some nice sustain, better than the banjo does on this thing. Alright, see you later. Thanks for tuning in to Merlin's Guide to the Merlin.com.